Going to love the 2020 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.